Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first up, open your Snapchat app on your mobile and then here tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner and then scroll down here and find the Snap Map. So right from here, so basically all you need to do is make sure that you turn off the ghost mode. So if you're going to tap on this one, so make sure to toggle off this ghost mode and you can choose here who can see your location, your my friends accept, or only these friends. So you can just choose right here. So I'm going to select my friends. And also you just have to disable this hide my live location. So when enabled, your friends can see your live location. So you're going to turn this off. All right. So we have also here quick share. And if you're going to open the snap map, as you can see your current location, it will show up here on Snapchat. Now, basically, you can just zoom out to find all the nearby friends on the Snapchat and you can add them by just choose or tapping on their account. So basically you can also see their snap once they found on the snap map. So yeah, you make sure that you're going to tap on the settings icon right there at the top right hand. Make sure to turn off this ghost mode and also this hide my live location. You can also go here on quick share and share a live location to your friends and basically add them up on your friends list. So that's it. That's how you basically find or add nearby friends on Snapchat Snap Map. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.